Hello everyone, welcome back to Hard Reset YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can speed up your OPPO Find X6 in a few steps. So first, go to settings and scroll down all the way until you see about device. Now click it and here click on RAM and turn on RAM expansion and expand your RAM by the maximum you can. Now, do not restart now because we're not done yet. Click on storage and here click on cleanup. Here click clean and now your phone should be faster after you restored it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.